I'm going to paint the beehive with the bee. So I actually ran out of beehives for myself, so I'm pretending that this tag is going to be my beehive, and these lines just represent those curves on those sides. But first thing we're going to paint is our little bee. So in addition to your kit, I have a paper towel and I have some water to the side just to wash my brush. The first thing I am actually going to do is I am going to paint the body and the wings of my bee white right now. I'm gonna leave the head because we'll paint that black eventually, but I'm gonna paint the bee body white. This way, when it dries a little, we're gonna leave our wings white, but when we paint our body, the yellow will show up really nicely on the white. So I have that done, and next, I'm gonna take that beehive and I'm just gonna paint it all yellow. Use your bigger brush. You could add a little white to your yellow to calm down that yellow and help it cover the wood a little better. While I still have yellow on my brush, I am just going to paint the body, and not the wings, just the body of my bee yellow. I'm just going right over that white, trying to keep out of those wings. And the white just helps that yellow cover a little bit. We're gonna let that dry a little bit. At this time, you could put a second coat on your beehive and then go back and do your body a little more as well. So I put second coats on both my bee and my hive. Now I'm going to add a little detail to my hive. So I'm going to take my small brush, and I'm just going to add a little bit of black where the curves of the beehive are. So where my pencil lines are, but where your curves are. I'm going to add a little black line. And then I am going to wash my brush out. This looks like a bee itself. And I'm going to put a little yellow on my brush, and I'm just going to blend those lines a little bit with some yellow. So what that's going to do is that's going to add just a little bit of shading. So just to accentuate the curves of that beehive. And I'm using hardly any paint when I blend. I'll put some yellow on it, take off some paint, and then you could blend. So there we have our beehive. If you find you got too much black, you could wait for it to dry a little and then just go over with some yellow. You could always go back once things are a little dry. Now I'm gonna go back to my little bee. Got some water on him. I'm going to paint his head and his antenna black. And then I'm going to very carefully add some stripes. You could always then just go back, quickly do your lines, and then you could just go over them. Just with a little bit of paint on your brush to create your little bee. I'm gonna wash out my brush, make sure it's washed out really good. I'm just gonna go over that white just a little bit more. I wanna add some white highlights to the antenna a little bit. Go for it. So at this point, I'm gonna let everything dry. And this is super simple to put together. Once the bee is dry, you could glue it however you'd like on your beehive. So I hope you guys had fun painting with me and have a great spring.